It's windy out here. Okay, so they have concerts out here. That AstroTurf is beautiful. I love it when it's installed right. Sometimes it's not installed very well and it looks like crap. Oh, and they got another area for concerts over there. Oh, I have been out here before, 2 years ago. Now I remember it. Should be still 107, somewhere around 107 degrees. And you can feel it in the sun, but it's really nice in the shade. See, they got this really big area over here for concerts. They can have a pretty big crowd out here.